Recording. There's this creeper under this tree.
Abby, get under the car.
We're running surveillance on him. Look at him. There's some girls over here playing on the 9th hole.
There he goes. Here he goes. Nope.
What is he doing?
Hide back in your tree. Weirdo.
Oh,
There he goes.
I
We
know.
actually think you're creepy. Get in here.
We're drawing more attention to it.
I think like, close to somebody out in the middle area.
But I know, that's what
Why
I
would you propose when
said.
your girl's playing with all of her friends?
Maybe it's something
These guys are
significant.
Look at him. He's up
Maybe-
hiding in a tree by himself.
Maybe they were the ones who were on that first date on the golf course. Remember that one night? Oh, there he goes. He's gonna kill her. He's gonna kill her. He's gonna kill her. Oh, maybe he's like he was in the military and he's back
Maybe
for
he's
more.
back for...
Yeah, he's
Oh,
back.
I went to another tree.
Oh, wait. What the
Taking
hell?
pictures.
Oh, wait. What are we doing? What are we doing?
What the fuck
I'm getting
Oh,
pictures.
she is. They're proposing. He's proposing. They're filming it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm done then.
Any idea what was going on? He decides he needs to surprise her. Hey, they've been looking at rings. They've been talking dates. So he's got to try to find a way to do this. So he decides he's going to ask her on the 9th green at a golf course as part of her women's golf league that she plays in every Tuesday. So he heads down there. He has the two friends that are with her in on it. So he gives one of her friends the ring. And the idea is it's in an envelope. She's going to put that in the cup. And then when Carolyn putts out, she'll find the ring, right? Okay,
Right.
Good plan.
Yeah.
So one of the other girls. Well, that's coming.
Oh, boy.
So one of the other girls distracts her. They get up to the green. The other girl drops the ring in there. My brother is waiting in the trees by the green. Okay, there's a parking lot near the trees. A group of women who are playing in this golf tournament see him. They grow concerned.
Oh, boy.
There's a random guy in the trees peering at the all-women's golf league.
That's
Creepy.
creeper
So they
alert.
start filming him, okay, with their phones. And I've got to tell you, at some point I will show you this video. They're on there, and they're like, look at this creep. Look at this weirdo. What's he doing? And so Robert's hiding in the trees. Okay, she comes up to the green. She puts her ball, gets it to maybe a foot or two. And what do you think she does? Picks her ball
Yeah.
up, right? I mean, it's
To tap in, you just pick it up.
Just a golf league. We're not putting everything out here. Well, she sees something in the cup, and this just drives me crazy. She sees something in the cup and assumes, oh, it's just some trash in the cup. Because we know at golf courses, there's trash in the golf hole all the time. What is she talking about? So then it starts raining. He has to go onto the green. He goes onto the green, grabs the envelope, gets on one knee, proposes. Then, of course, the ladies that have been filming this, that have been saying, yeah, weirdo, get out of here on the video, realize, oh, my gosh, he's proposing.
Oh, now they're sweet on it.
Now they feel bad. They feel guilty. So, of course, they're sweet on him after that. And he, of course, demands the video because he's laughing. I've got to have this video. May even be played at the wedding. But anyway, congrats.
So it worked
she
out
said
in the
yes.
end.
She said yes anyway, in spite of all of that. Carolyn Hund, congratulations.